Pretty blown too. I've definitely had worse than this, but definitely not supposed to be able to move it with your thumb. Alright, all installed on the passenger side, ready to go. We're all even. -1 on this side, -1 on this side. Looks good. That one's still drying. Alright, I guess we're all buckled down on this side. We're at a solid, wait, my camera probably won't focus. You guys should know this. But I'm at a solid 0.5 degrees of negative camber. So, cool. Alright, we're good and aligned on both sides. Torque down. I think I've done everything. Still a lot more I'm doing, but that's it for this vlog, I guess. I'm excited to see how this camera kit rides, though. The front's been doing awesome so far. I want to drop that exhaust. Alright guys, that looks like it's it for this vlog. Still a lot to do, because I'm trying to prep for IFO and all that. Hopefully all that works out. I got the front and rear upper camber kits installed. It's kind of easy. Of course there were some things here and there that got annoying, but overall it's really easy to install, especially in the rear. If anything, obviously aligning it is the hardest part, but if you have a little tool to help you out, it's not all that bad. Like this little camber alignment tool. There's a lot better tools you can get out of there too. Yeah, she's looking good so far. She's coming along. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace. I'm dead.